Hey guys, I'm Crystal.
I'm Fran.
And we are
Two Moms, Let's Cook.
Alright, today we are making carrot cake cupcakes in theme of Easter. 2.5 cups of flour already in this bowl. 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, just to kind of speed up the video a little bit for everybody. Next, we're going to put in all of our baking ingredients. 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda.
It already looks good.
1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and you can do them a little overfilled if you like cinnamon, because that gives it a good spiced flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Alright, now we're going to whisk it all up. Okay, next we're going to put 1.5 cups of oil in. And then we're going to blend it up really good with the hand mixer. Add in 4 eggs total, but we're going to blend in 1 at a time because it makes it better consistency. Just do a quick blend, blending in the last of the 4 eggs. Okay, then we're going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
It smells good.
Yeah, it does. Okay, and blend that up. Next, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of milk. And blend it up. Alright, next we're going to add carrots. We're going to use 3 cups of carrots. I'm using a 1/2 cup because I couldn't find my whole cup. Sorry about that, guys.
It's a really nice color.
3 full cups of chopped up carrots, because that's going to make your beautiful carrot cake come to life. And I always freshly grate mine. I don't like buying the pre-grated kind because it doesn't taste as good. Alright. And mix that all up. Okay, so we have a 1/3 cup scooper. We're just scooping 1/3 of a cup of the batter into each of the little cupcake containers that are pre-lined. And then we'll be back.
It looks so good.
It does. Alright, so we got all of our 12 muffins in, and we're going to put them in at 350 for 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Alright, we are done, fully baked and golden brown, ready to frost and eat, or eat plain, depending on which one you prefer. We'll post another video on how to make cream cheese frosting, but you can also eat them plain. They're very good just on their own. We're making the frosting for our carrot cake cupcakes. It's 1 brick of cream cheese, 1 softened stick of butter. We're going to blend it up. We're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla after we put the butter and the cream cheese together, and blend that in. And then we're going to put in about 3 cups of powdered sugar. You can use 4 if you like it really sweet, but I like mine a little less sweet, so I'm going to use 3 cups.